Do you know that AI can create content for you, be it text, images, music, or even video? Imagine having a tool that can write stories, generate artwork, or compose music all by itself. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's very real and incredibly powerful. Hi, I'm John Lystrom, and I'm an online coach with 23 years of experience as a full stack software developer. I'm conducting a 90 minutes online workshop on exploring AI tools. I'm thrilled to guide you through an exciting journey into the world of generative AI. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to scale your skills, this workshop is designed just for you. Join this online workshop by registering yourself through the given link. See you there.